Welcome back, guys, to Open Pigeon Bible channel, where you get the latest of what is happening in Jamaica. So please remember to subscribe for more, because soon as you get the latest video, you will be the first one to get it. So please subscribe so you can get the latest of what is taking place throughout Jamaica. So Hurricane Melissa Cat 5 has damaged the regional hospital in Montego Bay. As you can see, water flowing through the hospital. The ceiling has been teared down. So a lot has been taking place since Melissa Cat 5 passing through the island. So please, guys, remember to subscribe so I can keep you posted with the latest of what is taking place through the island of Jamaica. As you can see, stretcher ceiling has been missing, bed has been soaked with water, and water has been rising. So this tropical storm has left Jamaica so badly damaged throughout St. Elizabeth and Montego Bay. So please remember to subscribe so you can be the first one to get the video as soon as it drops. Thank you for watching. Peace.
So we are going to
This is the war. This is the hospital. It is